prepared to discuss why you can't get treatment locally. I know some people who find themselves in a position where, for whatever reason, whether it be because of a particular type of case that they have, like a workers' comp case, or maybe insurance through someplace else, they're able to get treatment in one location as opposed to their home location. So it's not uncommon for them to travel back and forth. So you need to be prepared to discuss in detail why is it that you can't get your treatment locally. Also, talk about the frequency of the trips. Are you going once a month? Are you going once a couple of times a month? You want to make sure that you give a good picture of the amount of times that you find yourself going back and forth for various treatments. Why is that important? Because, well, the court's going to want to know how often you're going. They also want to know is how you're actually getting there. Are you riding a bus? You're riding a train? You're riding an airplane? Are you riding in a car? You're probably asking yourself, why do they need to know all of that? Because each one of those circumstances provides for certain varying degrees of accommodation. If you're driving in a car, you have the ability to stop and take breaks when you want to, as opposed to being on a plane where you're in a fixed position for a fixed period of time and you're not able to do that. Talk about the impact of the traveling. And what I mean by impact, I mean, how is the traveling affecting you? When you have to make that trip to go get whatever treatment that you need, does it kick you in the backside? Are you having a lot of pain? Is it difficult? Are you wiped out when you get to where you're going? You want to make sure you paint that picture to the court or to Social Security so they're not trying to figure out if it just seems like this is nothing but a thing for you or if it actually has an impact. And then finally, be prepared to discuss why the money you spend on traveling couldn't just be used to pay for local treatment. I know this may seem like you're thinking, why are they asking me these intrusive questions? I'm trying to get the treatment I need to prove I'm disabled. Well, all of these things play an impact because they have to look at your daily activities. And if your activity includes traveling to get treatment, they want to be able to get an accurate picture of how that plays a part in you proving that you're disabled.